We're using that beautiful chicken verde to make nachos. Let's go do it. All right, with our warmed tortilla chips, we're going to put down a little bit of queso and a little bit of refried beans. And we're going to start to build that up a little bit with maybe a few more chips. Then we're going to dig into that beautiful chicken verde that we made. And we're just going to build up the layers. Chicken, sour cream, pickled jalapenos, black olives, chopped green onion, and a little bit of that extra green salsa. Absolutely. We don't skimp on flavor around here. Ta-da! Survey says, oh yeah, those are delicious. Enjoy!